I shared with us new claims about Roberts, specifically his criminal record and immigration history.
The agency released this information on Friday, and I took a deeper look into the dates and details listed. Here's a full timeline according to ICE. The following timeline is according to U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement. In 1994, ICE says Roberts first entered the United States as a visitor for pleasure, using a B-2 non-immigrant visa. He left at an unknown time. 2 years later, in 1996, his first criminal charge appears as possession of narcotics with intent to sell them. He also was charged with possession of both forgery and forged instruments, meaning there were claims that he made a false document with intent to deceive. Then, in 1998, Roberts was charged with third-degree unauthorized use of a vehicle, though this was later dismissed in 1999. This is also the year when Roberts entered the U.S. 3 different times on an F-1 student visa. In 2000, he applied for employment authorization, and in September, he left and entered the U.S. both in the same month on this same visa. Going to 2001, Roberts applied for a green card. In the same year, his employment authorization expired. In 2003, his application for a green card was denied. Then, in 2004, his F-1 student visa expired. 8 years later, in 2012, he was convicted for a few different things in Maryland at the same time. This includes reckless driving, unsafe operation, and speeding. Moving ahead 6 years to 2018, Roberts applied 3 more times for a green card and was rejected every time. He also filed for employment authorization documents, which expired the next year in 2019. When he filed for these documents again, those would expire in 2020. Now, this is the year when his 4th and final green card application was declined. He also was charged in 2020 with 2nd, 3rd, and 4th degree weapon possession charges, but the 2nd degree charge was incomplete. During this year, he updated his address, but ICE does not say to where. He also received a notice to appear before an immigration judge. 2 years later, in 2022, Roberts was found guilty with unlawful possession of a firearm. Then, in 2024, he was given a final order of removal from the United States, and a Dallas immigration judge denied the motion to reopen his case in 2025. Last Friday, Roberts was detained by ICE, where they found a gun and fixed-blade hunting knife in his possession. On Wednesday, court documents show Roberts was charged as a, quote, illegal alien in possession of firearms. In the days after Roberts' detainment and the new information about him being revealed, members of the Des Moines School Board have faced some heat. But amid the controversy, the board is defending itself. The Associated Press on October 1st reported that Roberts had not completed one of the doctoral degrees he provided on his initial resume to JG Consulting. That was the firm tasked by the district to search for superintendent candidates. JG Consulting flagged the error, and the resume was revised to note that Roberts completed all but his doctoral dissertation, which is required to earn such a degree. In a statement to Local 5, the board claims it was, quote, a victim of deception by Dr. Roberts, one on a growing list that includes our students and teachers, our parents and community, our elected officials, and Iowa's Board of Educational Examiners, and others.